Namaskar. Today I am going to share a very indigenous recipe from a state of Bihar, which is in India, called as Bhuja. It is a very healthy food and it is having a very low carb. This recipe will serve to delight without having any adverse health effect. Please watch the video until last so that I explain you that what you need to prepare bhuja and how long does it take to make bhuja and how to serve it. Please watch the video until last. Now I start with the recipe. Fresh puff rice, sand roasted garbanzo bean, sand roasted sago palm, sand roasted or microwave peanuts, dalmo, sand roasted flattened rice, microwave or sand roasted corn. For this recipe, you also need salt, black salt, Bhuja masala, which is indigenously prepared, chaat masala, chopped onion, chopped ginger, chopped green chili, chopped cilantro leaf, lemon, and most secret ingredient is the mustard oil. So these are the ingredients. Now we will be making bhuja with these ingredients. Now friends, we are going to make bhuja. For making bhuja, we need a container like a mug and a long handle spoon to stir it. So let's start making bhuja. Today I am going to explain how to make 50 grams of bhuja. You can adjust this ratio depending upon the quantity which you are trying to make. 50 gram is a good serving on an average for an adult. So let's start this recipe. You need to have 10 grams of puffed rice. You need to have 10 grams of roasted garbanzo bean. Need to have 5 grams of roasted sago palm. Need to have 5 grams of peanuts, roasted peanuts, 5 grams of dalmo, 5 grams of roasted flattened rice, and 5 grams of roasted corn. Take these ingredients and mix it real well. Once the mixing is complete, then we start making the another ingredients into it. So the very first thing I am going to make it is the regular table pink salt, about 3/4 of a spoon. 3/4 of a spoon is black salt, 2 small spoon of secret bhuja masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and then mix it. Once the mixing is complete, then the most important and secret ingredient of this recipe, mustard oil, we are going to have almost a teaspoon of mustard oil. Once I put the mustard oil, again I stir it real well so that it homogenize and mix it well. Once you mix it well, then we are going to put another ingredient, which is sort of flavor enhancing. Mixing supposed to be real well and homogenized. Now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of chopped onion, about 3/4 of chopped ginger, 1/4 of green chili finely chopped, about 1 teaspoonful of chopped cilantro leaf, and I'm going to mix it well. Once it is really mixed well, then I'm going to take a piece of lemon and I'm going to squeeze few drops of lemon just to enhance the flavor. And again I'm going to mix it well. Once the mixing is completed, you will get a very good aroma. That's how you know that your bhuja is ready. You can serve it in a plate. Just put all the bhuja from container to the plates and just garnish it with little cilantro, and then this bhuja is ready. Enjoy this recipe. This is pretty healthy, low carb diet. While you enjoy it, I will think on some other wonderful indigenous healthy recipe for you and coming back soon. Namaskar.